Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use CAD function. Okay, first for example, we need to use this paragraph. So first we should now here we can see here have a line, right? So we should have 1 to 2 points to make a line, and meanwhile here we can see arc. So 1, 2, 3, 3 points to make one arc, just like this one is an arc. So 1, 2, 3, 3 points, right? And line just 1 to 2 points like this. Now we use this hand wheel to control the mixing head to do this paragraph. Okay, first we click here. Now we click teaching begin, and then click glue output out point. Then next point, we should move the mixing head to the next point here. Okay, you can see it's a line, right? So you can press this, subtract button, this one, this button, okay. Then, okay, move it to the next point. Okay, so we see it's one arc, right? So we should click the add button here. Okay, click this button. And next point, the next point. Yeah, and meanwhile we can see here, we can see it shows arc 1 step. So next point. Okay, this one, and press this button. Now we can see a screen shows arc 2 step, right? So it shows it's okay. And then next point is still one arc, right? We can see still one arc. So okay, this point, and click this button. Yeah, the add button because it's an arc. Okay, begin. Next point. Okay, still here, this button, press. Okay, and here we can see arc 2 step, and the next one here. Okay, because it's a line, so we press the second button here. Yeah, okay, and the next point. Okay, this point. So also press this button. It's okay. So we can see here the 2 points, they are not coincide, right? So here we should choose the open end. We should click open end. But if the 2 points are coincide here, and we should click close end. And if here the last is one arc, just like this, one arc, and then we should click the this button. So we can see it's not coincide, right? So choose this one, open. Then we choose teach end. Press here. Yeah. And name it, give it a name. Okay, and then save this file. And then, okay, got auto. Here we can see the paragraph. Okay, then we press emergency back, let the mixing head back to the point, and then we can press dry to try whether it's okay. Okay, press
Okay,
dry
知道。
and start. Now let's have a look. Okay, so we can see it's okay. Okay, now let's dispense on it.
啊，
Okay,
然后按一个
now
启动。
start.